I'm Teacher Easy. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about past year question from NMOS 2021, which is about the figure construction. Let's have a look. So you can see that shown below is a right angle triangle ABC with the angle ACB, which is 90 degrees, so which is over here. And we say that point DE and F lies on the side BC, AC, and also AB respectively. So you see that D is on BC, E is on AC, and F is on AB. And then we say that, the BDEF is a parallelogram with an area of 153 centimeters squared, which is this part. And then given that the length of DC is 9 centimeters, which is this part, we are asked to find the length of AE in centimeters. So now guys, we are asked to find the length of AE. But in this question, we are given with the area of the parallelogram and the length of DC. But these two information doesn't seem like related to the triangle AEF. So how do we solve this question then? Right, no worry guys. Let me start with a simple example first, right? So now in this example, we are also given with a similar triangle. But this time, instead of having the area of a parallelogram, we have the area of the rectangle ECDF, which is 45 centimeters squared. And also we know the length of BC, which is 5 centimeters. So what we want to find in this example is the length of AE. But again, how do we find it? You can see that we are given with two information on two different shapes. So what if we try to unify them on just one single shape? Which means that we'll need to construct our figure. Now, let's look at the triangle AFE. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can actually try to complete the half of it. Now you can see that it forms a rectangle. Same goes to the triangle AFBD. We can also complete the half of the triangle. Again, it's form another rectangle over here. Finally, we can complete our figure to form another big rectangle. So now guys, what can we say about the area of the triangle ABC and the whole rectangle? It is half of the whole rectangle. How about the area of AFE and the area of green triangle? They are also the same, since we just say that it is the other half of it, right? Next, how about the area of FBD and the area of the red triangle? They are also the same. So guys, now that we have known these three relationships, what can we say about the area of ECDF and the area of this blue rectangle? They are also the same, which means that the area of the blue rectangle is also 45 centimeters squared. Now we can say that the length of the rectangle is just the same as the length of what we are finding here, which is AE. But do we know the width of the rectangle? It is also given here, which is 5 centimeters. So to find what is AE, we just use 45 divided by 5 and we'll get 9 centimeters. So in this example, we try to find the length of AE. But with the information given in this question, we are not able to calculate AE directly. So what we do here is to try to draw the other half of the triangle, which is to use the half model to construct the figure. Then we use the translation method to unify the information given into a single shape. Right now, let's go back to our question. So now in our question over here, we want to find AE. So what can we do, guys? So actually you can see that the line FE and the line BC, they are two parallel horizontal lines. So the triangle AEF is a right angle triangle. Now we can also complete the other half of it to form a rectangle. But now at the bottom part, how do we construct the figure? Since the line BS is a slanted line, we can draw a vertical line to form a triangle, and let me name it as point G. Then we just have to complete the other half of it. Again we form another rectangle over here. And finally, we just have to complete our figure here to form a big rectangle. But in this case, we are given with the area of the parallelogram, but not the area of the rectangle. How we are going to find the area of the rectangle ECGF? Alright, now let's take a look at the parallelogram. So guys, do you know the characteristic of the parallelogram? So the two opposite sides must be parallel and have the same length. Therefore, after we draw the line FG inside the parallelogram, we can find that the length of BG is actually equal to the length of BC. Okay, we'll label the length of BG as 9 cm. Oh, this means that the triangle FGB is actually the same as the triangle ECB. Oh, therefore the area of the rectangle ECGF is just 153 centimeters square. This will also mean that the area of the top left rectangle here will also be 153 centimeters square. So now we want to find the length of AE. Oh, it is just the length of the rectangle. And do we have the width of the rectangle? It is just the 9 centimeter. Now to find the length of AE, we just do 153 divided by 9 and we will get 17 centimeters, which is our final answer. Right? So now let's summarize what we are learning in this question. So we can see that at the beginning of the question, we are not able to directly find the length of the sheet. So what we do here is we use the translation method, which helps us to unify the information given into just a single sheet. Now, you can try to do this practice question and you can leave your answer at the comment section below. That's it for this video. You guys can join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.